I'm Jimmy Universe 20 part the Philippines. Hindi na din ako nangialap, di ba? Ngayon lang ako nag-watch ng TikTok for last week or some more by day na umpisa na ang Miss Universe in area ng Pasay. Alden Richard is a judge. Kaya siya sumigaw kasi kailangan naman talaga sumigaw para lumakas ang boses for deliver nice people. The audience is so trunking. Para sa akin, kaya nanalo ang Bulacan because she's always done in lower vote. Kasi ngayon, budol na ngayon maraming views eh. O maraming million views because what for about the money file in million views. Kasi pagpalaos ka na, ang mga tao umaalis sa views mo. Kaya yun dun matitis ang tao talaga always Ingor. You know, as Chip said, the smart lover is pathetic about well, what happened even so and what already those come out attacked. OMPG, Bulacan now is winner to Miss Universe. This is my Michelle's big winner in the Philippines. But the international battle is tough. Hindi siya nakapasok sa top 5. Siguro to si Miss Bulacan makakapasok siya sa top 5 or 4 kasi I think she has help. It's very, for beauty. She's a black woman. It's not the black, but she's brown. For, as Bulacan is a rich country, Central Tagalog. Party supporters mayor. What I will the people is party because she's big winner in Bulacan. So, because I am Bulacan. Oh, because I'm Marmas Buddy, but I'm Manila working here. Okay, congratulations. Big time.